my name is Renaldi Prastio. Hello, my name is Renaldi Prastio, and here I want to explain about rational exponent. So, rational exponent is if the power or the exponent raised on a number is in the form p over q, where q then the number is said to have a rational exponent. For example, 8 power 1 over 3. And there's some example for this exponent, for rational exponent. Sample is sample 1, 3 power of 1 over 2 is 2 root 3, and it's equal to root 3. And example B, 32 power of 1 over 5 equal to 5 root 32. And there's another example. Example C is in bracket x root x power of 4 close bracket power 1 over 4 equal to 4 root x power of 4. And there is some rule for rational exponent. Rule number 1 is if b is bigger than 0, then n root b is a positive real number. Second rule is if b equal to 0, then n root b is 0. Rule. Third rule is if b is smaller than 0 and n is odd number, then n root b is a negative real number. And the fourth rule is if b is smaller than 0 and n is even number, then n root b is not a real number. And there's some example for this rule. For example, example A is 3 root 8 equal to 3 root 2 power of 3 equal to 2 3 over 3 equal to 2. This is using the first rule. Then the example B, 4 root negative 16 is not a real number because 16 is negative sign, and it's smaller than 0, and 4 is even number. And there's about rational exponent is finished, and here I want to explain too about properties of radicals. Properties of radicals. For all real numbers a and b, where a bigger than 0 and b bigger than 0, and for any integer m and n, where m bigger than 1 and n bigger than 1. The first properties is like this. Sorry, the camera is very stupid camera. And I will tell it. N root a power of n minus a if n is odd. So if n is even is n root a power of n equal to there's no minus, it is equal to, sorry for my, yes. equal to absolute A. The second properties is n root A multiplied by n root B equal to n root A multiplied by B. The third properties is n root of A over n root of B equal to n root A over B. The fourth properties A multiplied by n root B equal to n root A power of n multiplied by B, and n dan n root A power of n multiplies by B equal to A multiplied by n root B. The fifth properties n root of A equal to n multiplied by B n multiplied by m root A power of m. The seventh properties is m root A over n root B equal to m multiplied by n root A or n over m multiplied by n root B B power of m equal to m multiplied by n root A power of n over B power of m. The eighth properties is m root n root A equal to m multiplied by n root A. This the example for properties of radicals. 1a. Sorry if you cannot see the examples because I filmed it by my mobile phone. Examples 1a. 3 root 27 equal to 3 root 3 power of 3 equal to 3. Example 3c. 4 root of 64 equals 64x power of 2 over 4 root by 4x equal to 4 root 64x 2 power over 4x equal to 4 root 16x equal to 4 root 2 power of 4 multiplied by x equal to 4 root 2 powers by 4 multiplied by 4 root x equal to 4 root x. And this I want to show another example, but I think. Yes, another example. 8c 4 root 2 root 4 4 root 2 root x power of 8 equal to 4 multiplied by 2 root x root x power of 8 equal to 8 root x power of 8 equal to x. And that's all. That's all the this that I already show and explain for you. And I'm sorry for the everything. Goodbye.